happy hoarder here, and my dead fairy in a lamp was looking rather dull. I tried putting in one of those little battery-operated tea lights, but it just wasn't working. But I had cheap LED lighted hair extensions, sheet moss, and the LED tea light, and a glue gun. What I did, I should have done a video of, but I had no idea it was going to work. I basically just glued a bunch of strands from the LED lighted hair extensions onto a tea light. But first I had to cut off the little rubber tip. Yeah, I just ran a bunch of hot glue around it and stuck those on there. To give it that extra texture, I ran some of the filament through my fingernails to give it that little curl. And then just covered the tea light with some green moss, and it looked amazing. And then I put it in my fairy lamp, and look at her now. She's not so dull anymore, is she? So enjoy. Thanks for watching, and please hit like and subscribe if you haven't. And leave a comment below because I always love to hear from you. And hey, hit that notification button because sometimes I make pretty good videos.